Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Sunday 13th. We made it. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Happy Mother's Day to all. And today we have a Amazon unboxing to do. Oh boy. We should see what's inside. Of course, you guys will get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the links down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. We shall see what is inside though. Here we go. One more cut. What do we have here? What is this? What is this? Oh, from Italy. And this is from, where are you? Barsetto. Whoa. Espresso, portable coffee machine, Italy. Awesome. Check them out. Links will be down below. And we got the travel for your office. And I wasn't expecting this one today. There we go. Take a look what is inside here. There we go. Barsetto. Oh. Alright. That's nice packaging right here. Look at that. Nice travel size. Got the cut going there. Here comes its here. Oh boy. Alright, here we go. How do I open this thing up? Oh. How do I open this? Portable coffee machine. Alright. Look at this. Bam. We are all in. Oops. Focus. Boom. All the good stuff in here. Alright, comes with one of these things. Is there any cords? A Barsetto. Whoa. Holy smokes. Was not expecting that to pop up like that. Or maybe it's one of those hydraulic, you don't need no electricity type thing. Push keys. You guys can see it. Raise you guys up. There's the top. Boom. Boom. Barsetto. There we go. There's that inside. Once you take out the lid. And see how this thing works. Alright. Oh, you can drink out of that once it's made. Whoa. Put that on. It's like an urn. Oh man. Let me get my balance. I guess it doesn't lock in. All you gotta do is this. Bam. washing. Oh boy, they got the tower going on here. What is this stuff right here? Oh, that might help. Huh? Here's the inside. And that's where we got to replace the oh, look at that. Boom. The max is up there. All right. Oh, here's a replacement. In case this gets dirty after so many uses, you gotta change that right there. And then save this for next time you use. I'm not sure how many uses you could get out of this thing. Really cool. Make coffee on the go, no electricity. That's a bonus. Do. It's locked in. Alright, that's good to go. We got the little water. So, let's see how this works. Curious now. Barsetto. Barsetto. Okay, fill the top. Oh, hammer time. You can put a K-cup in here. I'll show you guys in a second. Actually, I'm gonna make a quick cup. You pour it in the top. That, and boom, boom, boom. Pump it a few times. You get some brew hot. I think it fits any size K-cups, I do believe. Hopefully you guys could read it. I think it's in French. Sweet. Okay, so these are for the grounds. All that good stuff. Drinking cup. Barsetto. Lid. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got the coffee K-cup inside. Filled it up with water. Oh, there we go. Whoa. I don't know if this is working. I smell coffee. I can smell it. It's a lot of work to make some coffee these days. But this would be good for your office. Alright, let's see if I did it right. Hey! Oops, a little drip. Oh yeah, did it. Yeah, buddy. Alright. You can always reheat it too. For your coffee, for your thermal. Drop you guys down. Let's see the pour. Let's see what it does. That's pretty cool. Boom, pretty solid. Awesome. So there's a K-cup thing came out of. Give it a few pumps. Get coffee in no time without using electricity. So be great for camping, for boating, when you guys out in the water, hiking, all that good stuff. Your morning jogs, pump it out and take a break, pump it out aside. Get your espressos, K-cups, probably hot chocolate. This would be good for too. So definitely cool new invention from Barsetto on Amazon. I gotta clean this mess up now. On Amazon Prime. You get a lot of goodies with it. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime. But that's about it, YouTubers, for this Sunday. Hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, be safe and see you guys soon. See ya.